Want to see how you're progressing with your writing? It's easy. Artificial intelligence reads everything you write on Writer's Toolbox, collating this into a single score. Check out the performance page. At a glance, whether it's your average paragraph length, sentence length, or fluency ability, you can see your present performance and target goals. Each tile focuses on a different aspect of your writing. By clicking on the tile, you can find out more about the category and how to perform well. Performance page also shows your top sentence style and the next one to master. To find out more, simply click on them. A writing strength indicator, doing the math across a range of writing skills, provides a single representation of your overall writing quality. Performance page is also a gateway to your learning journey. Here, an entire year's skill development is laid out for you. Each of the learning modules you should cover to develop your craft is tabled, along with comprehension tasks and activities specially pre-selected to match your current writing ability. Oh, and don't worry if you don't get 100% first time on the quizzes. You can work them as many times as you need. When you're done, the Home button returns you to the main dashboard.